Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some really good tasty baked potatoes. We're going to finish it off using the air fryer, but we're going to cheat a little bit first. We're going to microwave it initially just to part cook the potatoes. This just speeds up the cooking process, and then we're going to crisp it using the air fryer. This will leave the potatoes fluffy inside and crispy outside. Trust me, they're amazing. So first off, I've already done this, but I want you guys to pierce the potatoes all over. I've already done that, so I'm just showing you guys. So whack the potatoes in the microwave. I've set it for 7 minutes. So initially we're going to try 7 minutes, and then we're going to check on the potatoes. When we check on it, we want to see that the potato's not too firm, that it's starting to cook, and that the skin's not gone too hard but it's starting to cook, and that's when we know when to transfer it to the air fryer. So we'll check them in about 3-4 minutes and maybe turn them over. Okay, so after 7 minutes they need a bit more, so I'm going to put them in for an additional 5 minutes, and then we'll check it again. So that's a total of 12 minutes, and it's an 800-watt microwave. Potatoes have come out the microwave. In the end, I added an additional 2 minutes on, so the total cooking time was 14 minutes on an 800-watt microwave. So I've emptied them into quite a large bowl now, and we're going to prepare it to go into the air fryer. So I'll show you what to do first. What to do today is I'm going to use some olive oil to drizzle onto the potatoes, and then I'm going to use some paprika, all-purpose seasoning, and garlic and coriander seasoning just to coat the skin. You can season it how you want. You can have it plain. You can really do what you want when it comes to this stage. But for the purpose of the video, that is what I'm going to coat the potatoes in. So just drizzle it in olive oil. Not too much. Just make sure you've got olive oil all over the potato, like so. Get some seasoning. Like so. These seasonings already have salt in them, so I'm not going to put any extra salt in. Just give it a little shake, so the coating goes all around the potatoes. Yep, don't be shy. I then place my potatoes into my air fryer. So any oil on the bottom, I drizzle it like so over the potatoes, and then I whack it into my air fryer, which is a Weight Watchers air fryer, and I've got it set to roughly 180. And now I'm gonna set the timer to roughly 10 minutes. So then we'll check it after 10 minutes. If it needs some extra time, we'll add some extra time. Been in for 10 minutes now, so we're going to flip them over and cook them for another 10 minutes, and then they should be ready to serve. But what I'm going to do is, after they've been cooked, I'm going to leave them in the oven on a very low temperature just to stay warm while the rest of the food is being prepared. But after another 10 minutes they'll be ready to serve. You can see the skins are very crispy now on the one side, so we'll flip them over and put them in for another 10 minutes. Minutes is over, let's check. Ah, beautiful. That is fantastic. Look at them. Nice and crispy, golden. It's exactly what we wanted. So yeah, they're ready to serve now. You can do what you want with them. Chop them, put butter on, salad, coleslaw, cottage cheese, beans, whatever you want. Yeah, you can put whatever you want on them. What I'm going to do is just keep them warm until the rest of my dinner's ready, and then I'll show you the finished results. Serve the potatoes, just cut them open. You can see it's really crispy, the skin. Look how fluffy the inside of the potato is. So you can put whatever toppings you want on. So what I'm doing is just putting some butter on this one, and then some black pepper. Just get it really moist. There you have it. That's how you make air fryer finished baked potatoes, and trust me, they are amazing. The skin is so crispy, insides are so fluffy. So make sure you try it out, guys. Thanks for watching.